Roll and lock on a Jeep Gladiator with the Yakima OverHaul HD. This is the Roll and Lock XT series. It has a rack integrated rail like you see here, so you can add rack accessories on top. This is called the Yakima OverHaul HD. It's an adjustable rack. You can go out to your truck and unlock the cover. Shoots right open. It has a compact canister. Everything is clamped onto the truck, no drilling required. You could always slide this rack off if you don't want to have it on anymore. This has sidebars on it, so you can add rack accessories on the side. This cover is really nice because of the compact canister. You have a lot of space under there. And then you just pull this strap, and that's what brings the cover toward you. And it locks in increments as you go on the rail. Right there it locks, right here it locks, right there it locks. You have the key for it right here, it locks it up. Heavy duty aluminum underneath. This is a Roll and Lock XT series. This is the M series vinyl on top. This stuff is meant to withstand the heat, so it's a durable material. They do make an all aluminum version of this called the A series. So visit Truck Access Plus if you want to learn more about this setup, or call us at Truck Access Plus and we'll help you with your rack and cover.